stopping by. Welcome. I am your girl Yvette B and my co-host
Yana B.
Yes, and we are coming with another fun Friday video. Okay, so today we are doing my famous dandruff relief oil. Okay, this is something that I created on my own. I have not sold it. It's just something that I love to share. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. You want to start with the ingredients? Okay.
So first we have some olive herbal rosebuds and petals red. This is what we also put on top of the bath bombs.
Yes. So we are going to be using the dried form of red roses, but in my original recipe, I use a fresh rose. Actually, I didn't even bring my oil down so they can see. You wouldn't be able to see it anyway. It has a sticker.
This isn't this oil?
I reused the bottle. And we are gonna have an application bottle.
Ooh.
Girl.
You sure told me it was
Application bottle.
We're gonna have some essential oils. You don't have to use these oils.
Yes, you do. These oils are for dandruff. We have tea tree oil and rosemary. They are both for bringing moisture to the dry scalp. Also, the rosemary is like a soothing to it. So if you have like an irritated scalp, rosemary is good for that. The tea tree is an antifungal. They're both, it's essential oils. They're antifungal. So it just makes sure that there's nothing else going on with the irritated scalp. And this is for irritation too. You can use this oil, not just for dandruff. And you can just use it regularly. I only created it because I have kids that has a little spot up in the top that always is like, what is going on? So
yes,
that is the reason why I created this, because, bless you, because I got tired of looking at it and I'm like, okay, let me just make up something.
You got tired of looking
all right,
at my
so
hair?
with this,
no, me turn. So we have some castor oil, 100% pure. That's all I'm gonna say. It is some castor oil. Do they have to use this?
they don't, but
You don't have to use this oil. You can use eating oil, but not actual cooking, like olive oil.
they can use
Not-
olive oil,
You can
grapeseed
use
oil.
rosemary, right?
What? That's not an oil.
Yes, it is. Rosemary oil?
This is an essential oil.
No, yeah. Whoa!
We're talking about oil,
Oh,
shall?
never mind.
This is the main base.
What is that oil called?
Okay, so
I mean grapeseed oil. I
you
meant
can use
grapeseed.
grapeseed oil too. That's a light oil too. Just use an oil that's benefit for what you got going on. My original recipe, I use avocado oil and almond oil mixed, but I'm keeping the recipe simple, the ingredients simple. I'm using castor oil. Castor oil is also good for dandruff. All of these things is for dandruff. All of the ingredients, even the roses brings vitamins, minerals. It's just okay. When you put this oil on, it's like taking your hair to a masseuse and massaging it. Oh my gosh, your scalp is gonna thank you for using this oil. But anyways, I'm not gonna keep you. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, that was a simple ingredient and simple recipe to use. I also wanted to stress why I put the rose. If you can put a fresh rose petal in, yes, one whole fresh rose petal. I let this sit for weeks. I still have mine that I made from the summer.
From months ago.
Yes. This is actually creating a rose oil. So that's why I do that. What else did you want to say?
We will be listing the ingredients inside the description down below.
Yes.
And make sure you give this video a huge fat big thumbs up. And
a heart.
Subscribe and give it a big heart. And also ring that dingy wingy bell.
Yes. And make sure you follow us. Us.
And you might never ever miss another video of me with my cleaning routine or morning routine or night routine or slime routine.
Follow us on
stress ball.
Instagram. Follow us on Facebook.
But I don't have Instagram or Facebook.
Yeah, but you're on mine.
Oh yeah,
Your face
I'm
is
on
all over my channel.
Yeah,
my
face
page.
is beautiful.
Okay, so I think that's all I wanted to say about this. I do want to say one more thing with these essential oils. You use it to your discretion, because sometimes I know the tea tree can be a little bit too much for the smell, and rosemary. So you can also add other oils to it to mellow out the smell.
So they can use different oils.
They can, but they need those too.
Okay, so what I was saying at the beginning, at the intro, I said you guys can use different oils, right? And she said, no, you can't, no, you can't, no, you can't.
Wait a minute.
That's what she said.
Wait a minute. You need those two. You can use other oils in addition to those two.
I like the smell lemon, so I would love lemon. If you know that, you would be seeing the lemon scrub. Go check out the lemon scrub, the bath bombs, and also
the DIY face mask turmeric. I used to say
what's
turmeric.
that?
Oh yeah, that's when you were missing in action.
Oh yeah, I was at school.
Turmeric.
Wait, was I at school?
No, you were out about.
Really? Oh, I was out about. I was somewhere.
Yes.
And she started the video
with her adventures. If you have any questions, let us know.
Awesome! Whoa! Go check out our Wise Wednesdays.
Oh, yes.
Go check out our Wise Wednesdays.
You know what? I think on the Wise Wednesday, I'm going to start videoing. I have a series that I think I'm going to start, because I'm talking about how the emotions affect your organs.
Without me.
It's okay.
It's because I'm at school.
But
learning. This week, I'll be in every single one. And just because it's Christmas doesn't mean you can't check out our YouTube and Instagram.
Our social media.
And also Facebook. Because most people, they say they wake up and they're like, let me go check some Instagram.
Are you in the camera footage? Did you just move out?
Let me
Stop
go
pushing.
check some Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I also wanted to point out, if you can get an applicator that has the measurements, okay, that will make it so much better.
I don't think you have to use it to 1.5.
No, we got right at 2 ounces.
2 ounces. I don't think you have to use that. I think you can use 1 or 3 or 6.
It's up to you. You can
you.
modify this to however you like it. This is just my little simple recipe that I use, and I know that it works because I used it on all of my kids.
My children.
Even my oldest one.
My children.
My children.
There you go.
Okay. I've used it on all of my children. Yes. He had this little spot up here too.
Wow.
Yes. Thank you for staying to the end of this video.
Also, subscribe again.
Yes, please.
And you might get a prize, like some chocolate.
Okay, I don't know
From
where
me.
that's coming
From me.
and I don't even know how you're gonna get it.
I can
but
ship it to you.
please make sure you subscribe if you love this content. If you love seeing my lovely co-host, because you know I could go solo.
And if you want to do more DIY hacks on Fun Friday, like we can also do some other things that you would like us to do, like a candle, or we can make something else.
Yeah,
I don't know.
What would you like to see?
Anything.
Please leave your feedback and not just like or
yeah,
heart this.
and don't just scroll
Let
right
me
through
see
it.
your comments below.
Yeah, and don't just act like we're not here. Like,
okay, which would you like to see next? We're thinking about doing the lip balm or what else?
Lipstick?
I'm not doing no lipstick.
Yes, you said we would do lipstick or chapstick or the EOS.
Lip balm or the lip scrub.
Anyway,
Lip sugar scrub. Yo, thank you so much for watching.
do they have to use this?
Yes, I told them what the rose was for, and I told them to use a fresh rose because that's what I use.
Mostly, go check out the bath bombs. I love that video, and I love how we did it, and you're gonna love it.
Yes.
It's perfect.
And you can do your own fragrance. I'm thinking about doing cotton candy next time.
Yes.
Hope you've enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Don't forget about me. Sending love and care.